In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wise account to Xero. This setup will streamline your financial management and make it easier to keep your accounts organized. So, let's jump right in and get started. First, you need to open the Xero website. Make sure you're logged into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top of the screen where you'll find the Bank Accounts option. Click on it to proceed. This area is where you'll manage all your financial accounts, including your Wise account. After you click on Bank Accounts, look for the Add Bank Account button. Clicking this will start the process of adding a new account to your Xero platform. This is a crucial step as it allows Xero to recognize and interact with your Wise account details. As you navigate through, you'll see an option that reads Connect without bank feed. Go ahead and click this button. You may wonder why it's done this way. Essentially, connecting without a bank feed allows you to manually import transactions or sync them through alternative methods, which can be preferable when dealing with international accounts like Wise. Once you've opted to connect without bank feed, you'll be prompted to hit Continue, which will bring you to a new section where you need to fill in some essential information. Here, in the bank name field, you'll need to enter Wise. This is important for Xero to identify which account you're trying to add. After filling in the bank name, you'll need to enter the account name, account type, and currency. Take your time to ensure all these details are accurate. The account name is how you'll recognize it within Xero, so choose something that makes it easy to identify. The account type could be savings, checking, or whatever corresponds to your Wise account. Finally, ensure that you select the correct currency that aligns with your Wise account to avoid any discrepancies in your financial tracking. When you've entered all the necessary information, double-check to ensure it's correct. Mistakes here can lead to issues with transaction reconciliation later, so accuracy is key. After verifying everything, look for the option to Add Account and click on it. This action completes the process and your Wise account is now connected to Xero. This will allow you to manage your transactions more efficiently and leverage Xero's powerful accounting tools to maintain financial clarity. Thanks for joining me today. By connecting your Wise account to Xero, you've taken a significant step towards simplifying your financial management. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Goodbye for now.